Hello students, myself Assistant Professor Namrata Khilocha, Rafael BBA College, Vapi. In the subject New Project Management, TYBBA 5th semester, we are moving with the unit number 2B, that is Market and Demand Analysis. Here we are discussing about the process of market and demand analysis, which is divided into 6 steps. Here we are moving with the step number 3, that is characterization of the market. The market characteristics available into major 7 points. We had already discussed about the point number or characteristic number 1, that is effective demand in the past and present, which can be identified by using the formula of apparent consumption, that is production plus imports minus export minus changes in the stock level. Here, whenever required, the adjustment will be take place. Second one, that is breakdown of the demand. Here, the overall aggregate market demand is divided into 3 segments, that is nature of product, consumer groups and geographical division. In today's session, we will be going to discuss about the further 5 characteristics of the market, apart from which the third one, that is price. Price statistics must be gathered along with statistics pertaining to physical quantities. It may be helpful to distinguish the following types of prices. So here there are 4 types of prices. These are, first one, manufacturer's price quoted as FOB, which stands for free on board price, or CIF, that is cost, insurance and freight prices. Second type, that is blended price for imported goods. Third one, price that is average wholesale price. And fourth one, that is average retail price. Fourth one, characteristic, that is methods of distribution and sales promotion. So there are two criteria in this fourth one point, that is the methods of distribution may vary or change with the nature of product. And the product nature, that is either capital goods, industrial raw material or intermediaries, or consumer products, tends to have different distribution channels. Further, for a given product, distribution method may vary. Likewise, methods used for sales promotion like advertising, discount, sales, coupon, gift voucher, gift scheme, scratch and win, etc. may vary from product to product. The methods of distribution and sales promotion employed presently and their rationale must be specified. Such a study may explain certain patterns of consumption and highlight the difficulties that may be encountered in marketing the proposed product. The fifth one, characteristic of market, that is consumers. Here, the consumers may be divided into 2 major dimensions. These are demographic and social characteristics and attitudinal characteristics. Here, in the type A, that is demographic and social characteristics, consumers divided into or segmented into different criteria like age, gender, income slab, profession, education, residence, social background or class, etc. Part B, that is attitudinal characteristics, include preferences of the consumers, intentions of the consumers, habits, attitude and responses of the consumers. So, consumers are divided into 2 parts, that is demographical and attitudinal characteristics. The sixth one, characteristics of the market, that is supply and consumption. So first, let's talk about the supply. It is necessary to know the existing sources of supply and whether they are foreign or domestic. So here there are 2 sources of supply, that is domestic, that is within the India, or abroad, that is foreign. For domestic sources of supply, information along with the line may be gathered like location information, present product capacity, planned expansion, capacity utilization level, bottlenecks in the production, and cost structure. On the other side, competition from the substitute and near substitute should be specified because almost any product may be replaced by some other product as a result of relative changes in price, quality, features, availability, promotion efforts, and so on. The seventh one and the crucial characteristic of the market, that is government policy. The role of government in influencing the demand and market for a product may be significant and crucial too. Governmental plans, policies, legislation, and fears, that is incentives, which have a bearing or crucial impact on the market and demand of the product or service under examination should be spelled out. So analysis must be required regarding the government policies. These are reflected in production targets in national plan, import and export trade controls, import duties, export incentives, excise duties, sales tax, industrial licensing, preferential purchases, credit controls, financial regulation, and subsidies, penalties of the various kinds also. So here one must need to analyze the changes and available different policies offered by government. So these are 7 major characteristics of market. We will be going to continue with the other steps in the process of market and demand analysis in the next one e-session. Till that, stay tuned. Thank you, students.